Your search for the most lavish student accommodation in Leicester ends here. The Ben Russel Court offers a well-rounded student experience right at the heart of Leicester city centre. With a range of stylish studios, ensuite, and two-bed apartments, all fully furnished with fitted kitchens, high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the building, and all the utility bills included in the rent, you'll never have to worry about having a hassle-free stay. If you have a mood for some fun, head out to the engaging social spaces that Ben Russel offers, such as a cinema room, vibrant communal area, and also a spacious study room for you to keep a fair balance between your social and academic life with ease. When you want to head out, you'll find numerous Leicester restaurants and bars within a minute's reach, while many of the city's retail and leisure hubs are on this popular square called Eastern Boulevard, not too far away from the property. With the University of Leicester, De Montfort University, and Leicester College all being just a short distance away from the property, the location is perfect for anyone who hates a long commute to college. Ben Russel Court can be your new home in no time. Visit amberstudent.com to make a booking today.